Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you 5 protein-rich food recipes that are amazing alternatives to traditional protein shakes. These are easy to make, delicious, and perfect for anyone trying to build muscle, recover after a workout, or just eat healthier. Let's get started. Number 1. High-protein scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese. Why it works. Eggs are loaded with complete protein, and spinach adds iron. Ingredients you need: 3 eggs, a handful of spinach, 2 tablespoons shredded cheese, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tsp olive oil. Steps: heat olive oil in a pan. Add spinach and sauté for 1 minute until wilted. Beat the eggs in a bowl and pour them into the pan. Stir gently until eggs are cooked. Add cheese, mix for 30 seconds, and serve. You will get 20 grams protein per serving number. 2. Greek yogurt, parfait with nuts and berries. Why it works. Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, great for muscle repair. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, etc., 2 TBSP chopped almonds or walnuts, 1 TSP honey, optional. Steps: in a bowl or jar, layer yogurt, then berries. Add nuts on top. Drizzle with honey, chill for 5 minutes or enjoy right away. You will get protein, 18-20 grams per serving. Number 3. Chicken wrap with hummus. Why it works. Chicken breast is lean and full of high-quality protein. Ingredients: 1 whole wheat tortilla, a 1-2 cup grilled chicken breast, shredded or sliced, 2 TBSP hummus, lettuce, tomato, or cucumber slices. Steps: spread hummus on the tortilla. Layer with chicken and veggies. Wrap tightly and cut in half. Serve cold or lightly toasted for a warm wrap. You will get around 25 eggs protein per wrap. Number 4. Lentil and quinoa power bowl. Why it works. A plant-based powerhouse combo, fiber, protein, and slow-digesting carbs. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cup cooked lentils, 1 to 2 cup cooked quinoa, chopped veggies like carrots, bell peppers, onions, 1 TBSP olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper. Steps: cook quinoa and lentils ahead of time. In a bowl, mix lentils, quinoa, and veggies. Drizzle olive oil and lemon juice. Toss and season to taste. You will get 1 to 18 grams protein per bowl. Number 5. Peanut butter banana oats. Why it works. A great combo of plant protein and energy for morning fuel. Ingredients: 1 2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk or plant milk with protein, 1 TBSP peanut butter, 1 sliced banana, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Steps: cook oats with milk on the stove or in a microwave. Once thick, stir in peanut butter. Top with banana slices and cinnamon. Let cool for a minute and enjoy warm. You will get 15-20 grams protein depending on milk used. And there you have it. 5 simple protein-packed recipes that can easily replace your daily protein shake. These are whole food options that not only give you the gains, but also taste amazing. Try them,